What a mesmerizing effect you have on me. When you speak, I only want to listen to you. When you look into my eyes, I only wish to see you. When you come near me, I only want to feel you. When you are not around, I only miss you. This is love for sure, and I truly love you, and I mean a lot. Your love is like music, I want to hear it all the time. A music that rekindles my soul. Music that is so soothing that I want to play it all day and night. Your love is comforting and I love it. Please stay the way you are because you are my life's most shining star. I really love you for what you are. When I think about you, my mind truly goes numb. There is something magical in your arms, something magical in your voice. I just want to keep listening to you the whole day. I just want to hear you and have your say. Baby, I truly love you and can't really stay without you. True love does not really require a reason. I have no reason to love you, dear. I simply love you without reason. Actually, my love is the only reason why you play an important role in my life. I can't spend a single day without you. Just want to tell you from my heart and that I truly love you, and that is true. There is not a single moment in life when I don't think about you. Not a single moment when I don't feel you. I think I truly love you, and that is only true. Love as a reason is enough for me. I love you for what you are. I love you for who you are. Does not really matter to me, but I love you to thee. All day and all night, I only miss you. Baby, my love for you is so very true. When I think about you, I only feel the love in me. I think it is my destiny that I met you in my life. You are the only one I think about. Baby, I love you so much and will do so till the end of time because you mean a lot